Hello guys, good afternoon. This is Bisayang Foreigner again. Okay guys, now today we are in Kalajoki to take a walk or hiking. And okay guys, in this area, this is quite popular here in Kalajoki. This is popular for people who want to go hiking or bicycling. As you can see, nakita na ninyo that there's lots of beautiful trees. So we will see what happened there in the unahan. What is the nice view that we can spot. But now just continue walking and enjoying the nice view and the nice landscape. Okay, now there's a mark there. We should read what is written there. There's an explanation. The explanation is there's lots of different kind of birds and animals. So let's see if we can spot bear. No, just kidding. No bear there. No bear here. Now guys, this area makuan sa nimo dire you can see many different kind of butterflies and also dragonflies. And as you can see, nakita ninyo, there's many different kind of flowers, wild flowers. This makes beautiful the surroundings. This is what I like here in Finland every summer, because the wild flowers are so beautiful. And there's lots beside the road or around the area. And now we are going now to the tower. There's a tower over there over there in the horizon. There's a tower, but we will see if we climb, because maybe I don't like to go in the upstairs. Anyway guys, nice path. Nice pathways. Okay, now this area is going to the tower, but my mind is changing. We should go to the skiing center. Skiing center lagi kada winter ba mag-skiing kani siya skiing area. Pero every summer there's a lot of people also who is going there to bicycling, walking, hiking. This is popular for hiking, especially those who are tourists coming here in Kalajoki. So they always come in this area. Makita ninyo nga so nice. And look, nagbisikleta. There's somebody who is bicycling coming. And now let's go to this area. There's lots of sheep, sheep. So nindot tanawon nga makakuan ka, makita nimo lain nga kanang animals. Okay guys, anhin na lang, bye.